Jose Lopez, that's Nisha, my white male pit bull. I just want to take a video where I let you take in. This is the driveway. Come on, Nick. So this is the driveway right here. I let you go around here with the dog. Everything right here. This is the second floor. That apartment right there in the bottom is for rent. They just moved out. Just want to know. I think the one in the front is gonna be for rent too in the near future because they're throwing everything out. Now, come on, Nikki. Oh, Nikki's right here. So I'm gonna take you real quick. This is the backyard. I got my signs here. Keep the gate closed, please. All right. This is my sign here. Yeah, keep the door always closed. Come on, Nikki. So let me take around here. You see here, Nick shop. Here, this is the backyard. Then see around. The apartment for rent. If you're interested, you're renting it. This is another way I can go with the dogs. Come on, Nikki. Let me take you upstairs real quick. Come on, Nikki. Come here. Nick, come on. Look on, man. I don't want to make this video too long, man. All right, let me take you upstairs. So I open the door here. Nikki, let's go upstairs for a second, baby. Come on. No, come on. So I'm going to take the light on. So let's upstairs right there. Go ahead, Nikki. Go upstairs. I'm going to take you upstairs. This is going upstairs my apartment. Oh, no, upstairs. It's getting hot. Oh my God. I got to do this like 10 times a day. So make you tired, man. All this walking up and down. In the front too. I'm using the second floor. So this is the windows right here. You can see the backyard from here. The side of the house. Come on, Nikki. Nikki, come on. It's okay. Come on, keep moving. No, keep moving. So this is first the apartment right here. Yeah, keep the lights off, on. I have new in there. No, come here. This is again. Got my friend right here. Nick, come on, let me take a video, man. He's getting me crazy here. So I just want to take a little video here so you can see it. This is my door. And the kitchen is next door. That's where Nick, his room is. Nisha, his room is right there. So right there. Alright, I'm going to take him back outside. I got another sign here. I just want to take a video of the back side. Take a little video of this. Alright, Nikki, are you ready to go outside? So I'm going to take it downstairs. I'm going to finish here. I just want you to see the back of the house a little bit. So, alright, Nikki. So let's take him outside. Quickly. Oh, he's going to go back. Oh, I have to close the door. Alright, Nikki, wait for me. Going too fast, man. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm coming. I usually close the door because he goes so fast. So, another video here. I want to take the video now. I think he saw something, so he's not moving around here. You had something?